Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to solve exercise 1 D2 solution intermediate level questions, that question number 5. So here in this question, find the cost of 10 kg of tea leaves. Now we will find the 10 kg of tea leaves when 3 kg of tea leaves cost $18. Basically we will find the cost of 10 kg tea leaves. So here I will do some rough work. If you seen my previous videos, so in those videos you can understand that firstly I will do some rough work and after that we will go to part A. So here is, we make a two columns, that is here is mass and is equals to here is a cost. So as we know that they are given 3 kg of tea leaves, so I will write here 3 kg tea leaves, and 3 kg tea leaves is equals to $18. So here I will write 3 kg is equals to $18. Now we want 10 kilogram of tea leaves cost, so I will make here 1. So basically I will divide it by 3 on both sides, because I want to make here 1. So I will write here 3 divided by 3 kg is equals to $18 divided by 3. So here 3 will be cancelled with 3 and here is a 1 is equals to 3 1 times 3 and 3 6 times 18. So here is a $6. So now we will finally make here is 1, and now we will multiply 10 with this. So here is rough one is done, so I will write here a part. So we will multiply 10 by 1 because I want to 10 kg. So 10 here multiply and 10 here multiply. So I will write 10 kg of tea leaves is equals to $6 multiplied by 10, because I want to 10 kg and 6 multiplied by 10 will become $60. So our part A is solved here. Now I want to solve the part number B of question number 5. In part B they asked a kg of sugar when b kg of sugar cost $3. Now as it is in the part A, we will find 10 kg cost, 10 kg of tea leaves cost. Now we will find a kg sugar cost. A kg of sugar cost we will find in this part. So here I will make again some columns, that is mass is equals to cost. So here b kg of sugar, so here I will write b kg is equals to cost is $3. So I will write here C. So now I want to find a kg, so I will make this one is 1. So I want divided by B on both sides, because I want to make here 1. So if I will divide B on both sides, so here will become 1. So here I will write B divided by B kg is equals to $C divided by B. B will be cancelled with B, so here will be 1 kg is equals to $C divided by B. Now how much I want? So I want a kg, so I will multiply here a and here a. So I will write here a kg, a times 1 will become a. So here we will write a kg of sugar is equals to $C divided by B multiplied by a. Now which is implies that when C times a will become CA divided by B, and here is a dollar, means a kg of sugar will become CA divided by B $. So this is the cost of this a kg of sugar. So now I hope you understand this question number 5. If you want more videos related to exercise 1A D2 solution, so must comment in the comment box, and previous question videos already uploaded on my Math World channel. If you want to look that, so you visit my Math World channel, and I will provide you link the I button or in the description box. So must subscribe this channel and like this video, or must share this video with your friends. I hope you like this video, so must subscribe this.